driving and I love seeing new places. Titanic Trailer Services started in kind of a funny way. I was literally pumping gas one day, one of those days when the gas prices were exceptionally high. And I just looked at the pump and I was like, I gotta find a way for this truck to pay for itself. And I literally put out an ad in the local classifieds, and before you know it, I got responses. That's when I found out that I might have something. So I did some research, got the insurance, licenses, and it just took off from there. Titanic Trailer Services offers a wide range of transport services across Ontario. We pretty much have a method of moving everything, including RV, boat, vehicle, freight. Heavy equipment is always fun. We can move a Lamborghini if we need to. You know, we'll get it done. My name is Ken Campbell. I'm the owner and operator of Titanic Trailer Services. The favorite part of doing what I do is getting the job done, you know, seeing a smile on the customer's face. It's definitely a good feeling to know that, you know, you were able to help somebody out. I mean, it's not something where you just punch in and, you know, punch out when you're done type of thing. Sometimes it can be an adventure when you get north of the city, say I'm in the 400, and it just opens up and it's just you. That's when it's perfect. The freedom's nice. Basically, towing is not casual, you know. It might be casual when you hop into the car to, you know, go home from work, but as soon as you hitch something onto the back of your vehicle, it's not casual anymore. There's a lot more attention and responsibility that needs to be paid in order to make sure that things go safely. A lot of jobs require a lot of preparation to make sure they go off without a hitch, no pun intended. I run a business, and when I buy a towing product, I need to know that it's going to do what it says it can. No guessing games or anything, I need to know for sure. I chose CURT products because they have what I need. I'm a very technical person when it comes to weights and numbers, and I do my research before I start something. And they sell the products that have the capacities that are needed to get the job done. I use CURT products all the time. The fifth wheel hitch, the adjustable ball mount, it's being used constantly. It's a main portion of the business pretty much. It's just one less thing to worry about. Towing looks simple, and it can be simple, but it actually, if you want to do it safely and if you do it a lot, you have to do research and you've got to really pay attention to what you're doing, because things are usually okay before they're not. And being unsafe can lead to people getting hurt, people dying, just disaster. You know, being safe is a decision.